Hey, I'm Fish. I have here is the Insta360 X4. We have the lens guard protectors on, and we're going to do a live stream to show you how. If I don't show you the camera screen, I'll walk you through. Turn on your camera. That's the first thing to do. Press the on button. As you can see, the camera is on. Open up your phone and open up the Insta360 app and connect to the X4. As we open up the Insta360 application, it wants to connect to my X4. Join. I am on the page where it shows video and information. I now can hit the camera. As you notice, my screen goes into a playback, and I'm on here and I'm able to see wherever. I like for the bottom line where I'm choosing that goes fluid, and this does not. I'm looking for live. Once I choose live, it's telling me I'm on YouTube. I click on YouTube. Last used was YouTube. Follow the information that it's telling you. I am signed into YouTube, and you need to sign in to your account. Choose the correct one if YouTube allows you live streaming with the number of subscribers that you have. You no longer need 1,000 subscribers, just a select few. We need to either start the live stream or create a new live stream. We're going to put a title in the grayish color area and write X4 Test 2. Put a description in the grayish out area. Testing out the X4. Hit the return, goes in the next line. Just touch up and down and it goes away. It is 1:26. I want to start this about 1:28 and confirm. Do I want to end it? If I put an end and I'm continuing to screaming, it's going to end. I'm going to hit save. I want to hit start live stream. At 1:28, I should be streaming. I don't see anything that's telling me I'm streaming or things that say live in the next 2 minutes. Remember, I am shooting in 1280p resolution. Auto mode. I have the bullet number here. If I hit the bullet, it should start my stream. It's doing something. It's searching somewhere, and the camera's doing some things. I am just here. Hey, I'm Fish. I'm live streaming. The problem I don't see that I'm live streaming after the overlay has prompted on there. I don't see it on my camera. Take a look around. And here I am on the camera. When you're live streaming, you do not want to shut your camera off. Meaning, if you shut the application down, the stream will end. I have the stop button to end. On my screen, my phone, I see over here on the top, I have to go this way, over here to see it. It says my SD card and my battery life. If I tap on the screen, I don't get any information. I can zoom in, zoom out. It's all up to you what you want to do and see in the app. I will not be able to see any chat information. If I had another phone opened up, or an iPad, a tablet, then I'll be able to see. So I thank you all for joining for the past minute, 2 minutes to be exact, which I'm going to end. This is a test where I'm live streaming and I'm shooting with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II. And I got here is a microphone under the shirt, talking in a nice voice to the Sony. So here I am. I'm ending my stream by hitting the stop. Are you sure you want to end the live stream? Stop. Live stream has stopped, prompted, and the camera here will shut down, showing that I'm still on YouTube. That is how you would live stream. Please forgive me when I look at Reframe Live. Reframe Live, I believe, is single lens live streaming. Go to YouTube, you sign in, create a new live stream, or hit Start Stream, which it doesn't allow you to start your stream unless you create a live stream. So we're going to name this Reframe. I made a mistake. Live. Test 1. We touch the screen, put a start time of 1 minute 31, 1:31. Confirm. Save. And it's saving. And if I want to start it right away, I just hit Start Live Stream. I'm on the live stream page. And this is Reframe Live Stream. I'm hitting the start. And we'll see when it starts. You can see the camera. Touchscreen preview will be turned off while power connected to the app. It shuts down the screen. And this is getting ready to start. 1:31. It should have started. We're waiting for it to start. Error. Domain. Platform error. All right, so we have an issue. Sometimes things don't work out the right way. I want to get off of it by just moving on to the next one, getting it back to video mode, and then shutting down my actual screen recording. We have successfully done a live stream, but not Reframe Live. I hope this video was somewhat helpful to someone out there. When you finish, hit the off button, shut the application down, and off you go to the next live stream. This is just an easy peasy way of doing it with the iOS Apple, Insta360 app, and the X4 only. You could do it with the X3 and the X2. With the Insta360 Ace Pro and Pro 2, maybe in the future, we'll get with Insta360 and we'll have a live stream. but we would love to have the chat like a GoPro or a smartphone. I no longer do live streaming because of those features missing out. Maybe on the next live stream, we'll have a chat. Have a great day, everybody. I'm Fish, and thank you for joining me on this wonderful day.